You search for how to buy shares of Capital One Financial Corp. Capital One is a diversified bank and credit card issuer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker COF, and this short video is for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker COF to find Capital One Financial Corp. Select the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Double-check the company name and NASDAQ ticker to confirm it is the right asset. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add funds before completing the purchase. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, visible under Holdings. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this example.